Press the child lock inwards and flip the lid upwards. Remove the support feet inside the product, then close the lid. Place the product upside down with the bottom facing up. Insert the 4 support feet into the holes on the bottom. Once you have confirmed that all the feet are securely in place, flip the product over and place it on a flat and stable surface. Lift the lid, unlock both side locks, then lift the product using both hands. Stretch the iron frames on both sides outwards until they stuck on the bottom buckle. Then close the lid. Open the lid, hang the towel on a hook or place it inside the device. Close the lid. Plug in the unit. Short press the on-off button to turn on the warmer. If no operation is performed, the display will blink 0 for 5 times, then automatically enter heating mode. The heat and time indicators will light up, and the display will show 30 minutes, indicating a default working time of 30 minutes, counting down. When the high temperature indicator turns red, the inner surface is above 122 Fahrenheit, so do not touch it. When the display shows 0, press the mode button to select heat or dry mode. Then press the time button to set your desired working time. You can choose 20, 30, 60, or 90 minutes for heating, or 2, 3, 4, or 5 hours for drying. After 5 flashes, the warmer will start automatically. The selected indicators will stay on, and the timer will begin counting down. The warmer will turn off automatically when the set time ends. You can press the on-off button at any time to stop or restart the cycle. When the display shows 0, press the delay button to set the delayed start time. Each press adds 30 minutes, and the maximum setting is 24 hours. The delay indicator will blink 5 times and then stay on. After setting the delay time, press the mode and time buttons to confirm your desired working mode and time. Note, this function can be set either before or after adjusting the working mode and working time. The warmer will start automatically after the delayed countdown ends.